Alright guys, welcome back to my new YouTube channel that I've changed. So we're going to see my new YouTube channel introduction and my new logos for intro and outro. But before you get onto my introduction, make sure you can use captions as method number 2. You can check out my method number 2 emulation on my YouTube link. Guys, you need to look at this screen. Can you see this screen popping out right now? If we say yes, there are some more instructions on the screen. To read this, you need to pause this video and follow the instructions on the screen. After reading, follow the instructions. So, when you've done or finished, you can play this video again. So, next is the chapters will be used in this video. Please follow the instructions that you read. So we will do it again that we said earlier. Okay, you're done. Now let's start. During the introduction, you do not need to do anything after following the instructions. For ratings, this content is for all ages. Now, like most people, pets can watch this video too. Alright, are you ready? Now let's begin the introduction of my new YouTube channel.
Alright, let's start the introduction. So first of all, the videos that I've created now are about sounds, effects, emulators, video editings, games, codings. This is in addition to the other videos that I've created before, like tutorials and showcases. Now, the first one is the sounds. Sounds that I will show you are like video effects, then it will go to video editings and coding will be done in Scratch. Next one is the games. Games that I have uploaded like Minecraft and Civil Planes are popular favorite games of mine that I have posted on YouTube. I'll play another game later and will upload it later on. Then we will move on to the emulations. Emulations is my first popular technical content post on YouTube, including roots and jailbreaking on mobile. I decided to do that from another platform to run on any operating systems. And the last one is codings. Codings that we've discussed are Scratch and text-based programming. This coding is a difficult text-based programming, and I have decided to try my Python and block-based programming too. Later I will show you another one of my projects like what I have posted on my videos for tutorials and showcases. It's nice to know that the videos I have created are liked by other people. So that's it guys for this update report video. If you like this video, make sure to watch up the end for the outro video that shows where you can subscribe. Please like and comment on this video. That's all for now and see you in the next video. Have a great time.